It's finally here. Oh, I'm so nervous, but I'm so excited at the same time. The dark days, 3 years before the first annual Hunger Games. Oh my god.
There's some food over here. Quick.
Already starting dark. The f- Oh, hell no. Oh!
Why is he doing that? He's starving.
What? Cannibalism?
Your father is dead, Coriolanus. It was a rebel, they say.
Oh, that's no.
Out in the forest in 12.
Part 1, The Mentor. Ew. This actor's cute. And he has a nice body.
Tigress?
Tigress.
Tigress,
Hunter.
where's the shirt? My father's dress shirt.
No.
I like the way they're filming this.
Tigress?
I'm sorry, I know I'm late, but look, I did it.
Ah,
I did something.
she's so gorgeous.
It's really gorgeous.
Girl, you're gorgeous.
It's beautiful.
I can grow plenty more.
Oh, oh.
Got the grades?
And so it begins.
10 years.
Isn't there some significance with red roses and white
It's the first thing to
roses?
spend the prize money on.
Wow. Beautiful sets.
Cleanly?
Ooh, she's fabulous.
It's reaping day.
That's a snazzy shirt. What are those buttons? Tesserae?
I thought that was Natalie Portman for a second. I was like,
Drive his lamb, it's scandalous. I'm gonna vulgarate with their fingers.
ah, Viola
How
Davis.
tantalizing to see all your shining young faces on this auspicious day. I won't be around forever after all.
She kind of scares me. Peter Dinklage.
Because
I gotta say, they did some good casting for Cornelius Snow.
Grown bored of the games and simply aren't watching anymore.
Boy, with Johnny a
Treach.
sickle. Girl, Pup Harrington.
Lamina.
8.
Lucy Gray Baird.
Oh shit. I love what she's wearing. Very, very cute.
Sing your way out of this one, Lucy Gray.
Hater. Oh! What? What? Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I mean, the bitch deserved it, but oh my... No. I fucking hate snakes. I mean, I should have known it's in the title.
That's enough. Leave her be.
Nothing you can take from me
Damn, okay, vocals.
was ever worth keeping.
Take my will,
Capital says
Oh!
rolling.
'cause it's just
I got chills. It's from the gut.
You can kiss me!
Oh shit. And that's when he fell in love. It just reminds me of Katniss.
Well, she's mentally ill.
I wouldn't sing a note for you if I was her. I wouldn't do anything at
Oh.
all, unless I could trust you.
She's district, Tigress. She knows.
Hunter's so pretty.
How am I supposed to get her to trust me?
There's a white rose.
Welcome to the Capitol.
What?
It's like bedtime. Good luck with that, gorgeous.
Oh, she called him gorgeous.
Move it. Excuse me, can I?
Looks like they're about to beat your ass.
You in the wrong cage.
No.
I say we all kill her. I'm in. Nothing left to lose now.
Damn.
Kill them if you hurt him.
Bitch, get out of my face. Get out of my face.
Just not inspired, I guess.
Oh,
ouch!
oh no.
Stand up and catch their breath. I'm jealous of that entrance. That's right, the Capitol Zoo, where this year's tributes will be held here.
A zoo?
Bars for your viewing pleasure.
Where'd you find that snake?
Oh, he found me. Must have been a music lover. My singing calmed him right down.
Can I touch your dress?
Of course. I like your dress too. Who
Oh.
might you be?
You don't know who I am? Don't laugh. Not everyone has television districts. I'm Lucretius Lucky Flickerman.
You make it look as if we're one and the same as those animals.
Coriolanus didn't show
Shut up, pigtails.
already know. I don't need your help, Sejanus. That the tributes are human beings.
And I came here to ask your star mentor a question.
And what is that?
Are the Hunger Games for?
They're to punish the district for their uprising.
Some of those kids were 2 years old when the war ended. The oldest of them were only 8. The capital
Only
is supposed to
2?
be everyone's government now. It is supposed to protect all of us. I don't see how making children
this is
fight each
sick.
other to the death is protecting anyone.
They're sort of
Exactly.
It'll be an interesting test.
I love her makeup.
Here.
He's like, I don't want your scraps.
I'm not hungry.
You think I can't hear your stomach growling, Jessup Diggs? One thing I learned in
What?
hunger is a weapon. Your friend over there sure knows it.
She is not my friend. She is poison with perfect teeth.
Gotta build up my strength so I can strangle him in the arena.
She has nice eyebrows.
Not exactly my forte.
I might have a chance to help you.
You seem like a good man, Coriolanus Snow.
For now.
Sure would have been nice to meet you under different circumstances. Dance or two.
Imagine what Lucy would think of him as an old
All the
man.
time in the world.
What? Oh! Hey!
Hold on. Hey, look at me. Hold on. It's okay, I'll get help.
She was tormenting her.
Help me, please!
I used to climb in my mama's factory all the time.
Oh. These poor kids. Oh!
Mr. Snow,
The fuck is that?
come and see my new babies.
Oh. Oh my. Oh.
There's a point to everything, Miss Dovecote, or to nothing at all. Which brings me neatly to your proposals.
Miss Viola is working this outfit.
So it's your sweaty handwriting on that page. Very impressive, Miss Dovecote.
Why? Why?
Come
They're gonna bite her. They're gonna bite her. They're gonna bite her. They're gonna bite her. Woo!
You asked about the colors, Miss Dovecote. I want my enemies to see.
And it hooked its teeth on her palm.
I'm not above using spectacle to create a little terror. I don't think her mother would be happy to learn how she caught this sudden flu.
Evil. Evil.
To promote, and it's time for my milk and crackers.
This is the arena?
Coriolanus, please don't let me die in here tomorrow.
Oh. What the fuck? She came back for him.
Come on!
She really developed feelings.
He would have saved you!
Now that's the power of love right there.
4 tributes were killed.
Everyone's terrified, Corio. People are locking themselves inside their houses.
I'm speechless. She's putting in that emotion. What's in there? Oh, that's how they escaped.
Lucy Gray. Lucy Gray.
What was that?
Those bombs.
Wow.
It's okay.
Can't believe I'm saying this, but
I am gonna get you out of here.
Cornelius Snow is sweet.
Promise.
He was sweet, cause
Back to the Covey, okay?
Part 2, the prize. Oh, this has me nervous. It's like they know how to build the tension.
Shoulders back and smile. It's why we have teeth. Okay, ready?
Wow.
Let's start, guys. Remember, when your tribute dies, get out of here.
Oh boy.
Enjoy the show.
Oh. She reminds me of Rue. Guys, I'm so nervous.
Marcus. Guess we can
What?
all sleep better now knowing he's off the streets.
Are you fucking kidding me?
6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo! Lucy, run! Oh, 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 oh! Oh my god. She's good. She's good. She's good. Come on. Oh. Fucking Nick. Come on, bitch. Bring it. Bring it.
Get out of here, we gotta go.
This stresses me out more than the other movies. Don't tell me it's a trap. Oh, you guys. Hurry. Oh. Ah, they got her.
I knew we should have recruited that Reaper kid.
She's like fucking Kato, dude. Oh, she's really gonna do it. Oh. R.I.P. Water. Oh, oh! Are you serious? They did that on purpose. They did that on purpose. Not the vultures, bitch. Oh.
How much do you care if she lives now?
Yo, this movie is good.
What have you done to her?
What?
Do anything, Jessica. Are you okay?
I'll freeze the feed for an hour. I estimate that's all we have until the people notice.
Oh.
Tributes kill you in here. She's just gonna say you died of the flu.
Yeah, she is sketch like that.
You need to decide right now.
See, how did Snow go from this to what we got in the Hunger Games?
Do something real good. I'll just be another dead body in God's war.
Oh, 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 oh. Damn, that kid is fast. Ooh. Oh.
I don't want to hurt you.
Okay, Thor. Oh. He killed him.
realize I may have missed you tonight, but your Songbird's next on my list.
She needs to go.
Let's go.
The boy is...
What is she cooking up over there?
You've had enough of the games tonight.
That looked like Godzilla. Okay, so she gets into his head. And that's why he becomes the way he becomes.
And it felt powerful.
Corio,
It's all going to his head.
you want to be like your father, right?
Capital friends, I'm Lucky Flickerman, and welcome to day number
Yes, bitch. Oh, she looks so good.
Now, while most of you were getting your beauty sleep last night,
Foam. I think it's rabies.
That bite from that train.
Send him water.
Oh, right.
Posters in the war.
Oh, oh. Oh. Oh, she's so brave.
You watched over me, now I'm watching over you. Sleep, sleep.
Really? Really? 4 against 1?
Right there.
Girl, you better do something.
the pack doing what they do best for his community.
7, 8? Oh! Oh! Right in the throat.
Get this water into a pile, lumberjack, and then
She thinks she's so high and mighty with that pitchfork.
watch that beam while we get your little friend from back home up there at least.
Oh! She got her. Oh! What an evil bitch. Oh. Drink it. Drink it.
Coral,
You must be parched.
the little one from 8.
No, 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 no. Oh, I'm gonna cry.
Don't wake up.
She's gone. She's gone. Ooh.
No, hey, wake up.
So fucking unfortunate, man. R.I.P. Dill. Gone but not forgotten. Oh, this is really getting to me. Oh, you guys.
Son of our beloved president, has this morning succumbed to his injuries sustained in the rebel bombing.
Oh.
Districts. They will be celebrating this young boy's death as a triumph.
It's like
I
twist
swear
after
to you
twist.
Here and now, before the sun goes down tonight.
Jabberjays, we called them. We sent
Jabberjays.
them out during the war to pick up rebel conversations, squawk it back to us word for word.
What? That's what they were used for? Bitch, fuck off. Drop it. Yes. Yes. Girl. Oh. Oh. Lucy, get the pitchfork. No. No.
Over.
Sweetie. Sweetie. No, sweetie. Sweetie.
Bobby.
Oh.
Bobby.
No. Oh, dude. Sorry, girl.
And that is goodbye to Festus Creed. Have a nice summer.
It's calming them. She can't sing forever.
If that's what it takes, I'll sing for the rest of my life. Sing, girl, sing. Beautiful. Keep singing, keep singing, keep singing, keep singing!
Who will watch the games if there's no victor?
Hello. Oh my. Oh. Is that the hanging tree? It just hit me. He has the face of an angel.
Thinking you're in control, thinking you'll change me, maybe rearrange me, think again.
No.
Your hair.
This is gorgeous.
I thought you were dead.
Yeah, I thought I was too.
I don't want to ship Snow.
I survived you.
I told you what I did to that boy in the arena.
Why did he have to go dark? I love his hair so much. I think that's gonna be mini hairstyle. That's a beautiful lake. Oh. 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 How do you cut from something cute to something so ugly? I'm sorry.
Mockingjays, we call them.
Mockingjays.
Did she survive? Lucy Gray in the song.
Some people call it swamp potato.
Swamp potato?
Katniss has a much nicer ring, don't you?
Katniss?
Hey, grab the rod, Cece.
Oh,
Tigers.
that is so cool. Whatever his friend is up to, it's gonna come back and it's gonna affect him.
They're just doing what anybody else would do, Coria. The leader, Spruce, he wants to get his sister
He's recording
out of
it.
jail on base. Hoff is going to execute her just because she knows the man that they killed. It's wrong. He wants to get his sister Lil out of jail on.
That's crazy.
My pa's gonna string y'all up.
No, she'll tell everyone.
He's in the color.
She'll get us all, huh?
He's right.
No, she won't, Spruce. She's all talk, no action.
Someone's gonna die.
Lucy Gray.
Oh.
Go, go. Get rid of these guns. Go. Go, Spruce, go.
This is all just messy.
Who wants to shut up?
I fucking knew it.
Mayor's daughter got shot and her boyfriend too. He's sending out every grunt. We've got to find the guns that did it.
Oh. They're on it
It's
now.
our duty to keep peace. This is treason, plain and simple. Play the
Yeah.
recording.
The leader, Spruce, he wants to get his sister Lil out of jail on base. Hoff is going to execute her just because she knows.
Oh. 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 Just a messy, messy situation. Hanging tree. I'm getting emotional hearing this song.
Strange things did happen here.
It's the gun.
The one you fired at Mayfair. Spruce must have known about this place.
I'm telling you, twist after twist.
Besides me.
It's still raining.
Well, I'm not made out of sugar.
I love the dialogue. He got her? Where did she go? He's lost it. Are those eels?
You'll be studying under me now at the Capital University. What are the Hunger Games for?
I used to think
Yuck.
the Hunger Games were punishment for the district. Now I know the whole world is an arena. And we need the Hunger Games.
Oh! He lost his way.
And who are you? Do you deter them?
The victor. What do you think?
I think you look just like your father, Coriolanus.
Things are about to change.
Look at you.
Are we gonna get another one? Please tell me we are.
Nothing in your way.
Dead. Best movie of the year, I gotta say. That's it.
It's the things we love most that destroy us.
Oh shit. Oh, that was so good. That was so good.